Hi, today I'll show you how to use PHP to find the geolocation by country and IP address. Okay, let's get started. To find the location of the customers who's coming to your website, so we can use the PHP API to identify their geolocation. It's always a good idea to make it easier for the end user to enter data. It's important to make the process easy for them. Okay, let's get started. For this example, I'm using geoplugin geolocation API tool to look up the location data by using the IP address. This API endpoint searches for IPv4, IPv6 and any domain to be used as a parameter with the geolocation request. This code performs a two-step process in order to output the location data. It creates a PHP service with a function to get the user IP address from the server array. It will then use the IP address as the IP address to set the CURL to access the geolocation data. This will output the country name, code, and the given IP by passing the API JSON response. Okay, let's see different uses of geolocation. First thing, it provides accurate and reliable location data while the user can enter incorrect data. The second one, it provides a single entry point to get the data that will be used in many places like location-based country converter, shipping calculations, or many more. The third one, to calculate the regional visit statistics. Fourth one, this allows you to change the language of multilingual website content through the locationization. The fifth one and the final one is to allow user to plot their location on a map layer within the UI. Google Maps JavaScript API provides geolocation service to display the location of the user and the device on the map. Okay guys, we'll go to the coding side of this one. At the same time, you can download this code from the link that I mentioned in the description, and same time I'll show you how to do this thing code easily. And don't forget, you have to upload the file to the server and with the details. Okay, we'll go to the codings. Class invokes method to obtain the validate the IP addresses. After the IP address had been validated and returned true, it will request the geolocation data, or else it will display error message to the UI. Okay, now we'll go to the request.php, the second file what we used to get the data. Okay, in this request.php file, the get API address function builds an if-else if ladder of the majority of the scenario to get the non-empty IP address using the server variable. Once the IP address has been validated and returned true, you can use the IP info function via file get contents to request the geoplugin API. As a result, the API will return a JSON reply. The example records the JSON response and the phrase the geolocation data to get the country details from it. Okay, everything is fine. Now we have to upload to the server and run the codes. Wow, it's nice. Now the code is working and we can get the response. Thank you guys. You can modify these codes and use it for your day-to-day coding life. Thank you. Bye.